Hello. Today we're in Scratch. Scratch is like a coding community where you can post your projects online to show it to people. It basically simplifies coding and programming. So I'm here with my account and we're going to go take a look at everything. So we're in the Explore right now, but I'm going to go over to messages. So here you can see all the messages and notifications. You should look here for Scratch team messages. So here's my portfolio of projects. It's quite a lot because I've been doing this for a while, but I mean, little by little, you'll continue adding on to your projects. So let's just go into my profile. It shows what I like, my followers and stuff. But this is like one project I did a while ago. It's a money clicker. It's just a test I made. I mean, I'll put the link in the description. So after this, we're going to go over to Scratch. We're going to go over to the create section and make a brand new project. So here, the first thing you need to get is you usually start with an event. I'm going to choose the when flag is clicked event. Here, it's right on the screen. After that, you'll want to add something. Well, let's start a little simple. We're going to add a motion command. So we go over to the motion section. And I'm going to grab move 10 steps. Put that right under there. So now when the flag is pressed, as you see, the cat moves 10 steps. You can always just change it and customize it to whatever you want. You can choose 100 or 1,000, doesn't matter. You can choose it. But yeah, that's what the motion from steps does. The next thing we want to do is we can try a when key is pressed. We can choose any key. You can do any letter or number. I mean, I'm just going to choose the up arrow, and we're going to see if we can make it move. So again, let's go back into motion. Let's put that down there. Go back into motion. And then we're going to want him to turn. As you see, he turns 15 degrees in that direction when you change it. I'm going to change it to 90 to make it a 90-degree turn so he can go in 4 directions. We're going to make him move 10 steps and then turn back 90 degrees. And we're going to see how that goes. Now, if you notice, it's kind of upside down right now. So we're going to make a when flag is pressed, we are going to point in direction 90. So he stays forward. Now, as you see, when you click the up arrow, he goes up. So this was just a basic cover of this. So yeah, you can also add different things like when the sprite is clicked, as you see, it's right there. You can add things like, you can add more motion. You can make it go to a random position like this. If you click it now, it'll teleport to a random position on the screen, which is pretty neat. So now we're going to get rid of this, and let's try something a bit more complex. I'm going to go into new sprites. I'm going to choose a sprite. Let's see, what should we choose? Let's take Dot, the dog. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the cat. Now we have Dot. Now, what should we add? Let's make him ask for a name. So you're going to, let's say, when the flag is pressed. Now you can go in control and take wait. You can change it to whatever you want, but I'm changing it to half a second. So when the flag is clicked, it's going to wait half a second and then ask, what's your name? And I'm going to put in my name, Lightspeed Clips. And yeah, let's see what it does. Well, yes, it asked for the name. It didn't respond though. So we're going to need to add something to that. So here we're going to go to say, to looks, and put the say for seconds command. And then we're going to put the answer. As you see, it's going to take your answer and it's going to say it for, let's say, 5 seconds. So now, when asked for your name, Lightspeed Clips, it's going to answer Lightspeed Clips. Okay, so that's going to finish up this tutorial. Part 2 is coming out. Subscribe.